What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making a low carb breakfast, something with just some veggies and some eggs. No meat in this, but I mean you could put meat on the side. That's up to you. But yeah, we just got some tomatoes, onion, jalapeno, eggs, and a little bit of seasoning. That's all it is. Real simple. So you saw the beginning clip. Now let's just jump in. What do you say? I got my griddle nice and hot right now. Where's my gun? We're at over 400 degrees. So I'm just gonna start off frying up these jalapenos and onions. Got my two end burners are off. My two middle burners are on a medium high. Just wanna get a good fry on these veggies real quick. Got them minced up really thin. So I mean, yeah, look at that, it's real thin. So let's just dump this stuff on here. Just gonna get a quick fry on this. Want to get all those seeds from the jalapenos. All right, and now while this is cooking, we're gonna hop inside and get these tomatoes done. Real simple, you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so there it is. I mean, I did add one more egg, so I got 3 eggs to the insides of, what was four tomatoes slices. So yeah, I'm just gonna throw some salt and pepper in with this, and I'm gonna throw the veggies here in with that as well. Put as much salt and pepper or whatever seasoning you wanna use. I ran out of my breakfast blend. Or everything bagel seasoning. I ran out of that, so normally I would put something like that in here, but I think we're fine. So this is obviously too much to fit in the 4 tomatoes, so whatever's left I'm just gonna just cook on the side, eat it like that. That's no problem. It's just me eating right now. So boom. Oh yeah, I got a nice sear on these. All right, so there we go. I'm just gonna mix this stuff right in here with all the egg and whatnot. This is gonna be good, y'all. These veggies, I love some grilled veggies. Boom. All right, I got that going. This is good, nice and still oiled up. So all we gotta do is give this a mix. Can't wait. All right, let's throw these. Oh, I forgot about the jalapeno. Some more of the jalapeno. I'm gonna throw that on over here. Get it oiled up. Boom. Cool. All right, we're cooking. So we got the 4 slices of tomato. There we go. Right like that. And then get that out of here. Just throw some eggs in there. That's all you gotta do. All right, so I put a cover over this because I want that to cook up good. Over here is where I'm gonna cook up the rest of these eggs. So that'll just be just fine. And actually, let's take a look at these. They're kind of leaking out the bottom a little bit, but no worries. They're still gonna be delicious. Let them keep going. All right, so these scrambled eggs over here, that's gonna cook up nice and fast. I had the griddle a little too hot, so that's why you got a little burnt edges on that tomato, but that's gonna be delicious. That's just a lot more flavor to go in there. So yeah, these things are just about done. Oh baby, it's almost time to dig into this. And these eggs, I mean, they're pretty much almost done too. So yeah, we're gonna dish this stuff up, dive in. All right, here we go. We got some classy paper plates. You know how you gotta do. Boom, we got 4 of these. Ooh, baby. These look so good. There's so much flavor on this, I can't even focus on what I'm doing here. All right, now we got the eggs. Oh, probably gonna need another plate for that, so. All right, so that's all it is, guys. Super, super easy, and it is delicious. Don't want to forget that jalapeno. My dad decided he wanted to jump in on some of this. He was skeptical at first, but after seeing it and smelling it, I'm telling you, this is so easy to do. And it is good. It's a quick little thing. I mean, obviously you can, mix meat in there of whatever kind you want. You can do it on the side. Just good all around, guys. All right, well, that's all I got. Appreciate you coming by. Yeah, I have everything in the description, what I used. Let me know if there's anything you want me to cook. Smash that thumbs up if you like the video. And we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.